We start off from 3 investigations that have an unpredictable variable in common, allowing us the opportunity to generate adaptive spaces. The first of our investigations is related to sustainability and changes in the hydrography of the Moscova River. The swelling and descent of the river, as well as its consequent floods, are studied, and it is here where the first doubts about the energy future of water appear, and its practicality when designing one of the requested programs, public baths. Instead of keeping the water out of the city, we want to let it in the project. On the other hand, in relation to the program of financial and stock market, another topic of analysis is the fluctuation of Bitcoin in certain periods of time, the gradual changes perceived, which are not very abrupt, but always different, allowing the possibility of generating changeable spaces that will serve the users. As a third investigation, we developed a special interest in understanding the hybridizations of images and spaces, thereby generating infinite possibilities that acquire the necessary form to carry out the premises contemplated by the kindergarten program. The conclusion is that images are the most optimal resource for the model. When contrasting the models, we came across a constant variable of change and how this could play in our favor when projecting. We found a meeting point between all the possibilities of the variables, children, connecting 3 programs in one, public baths, kindergarten, and Bitcoin big data, and managing the way in which space is generated so that it benefits the personal development of children through multiple intelligences. The spaces themselves are at the service of those who are going to interact within them. The different studies that were executed contribute to the generation of dynamic spaces, which answers to the question of how fluctuations benefit the model, such as in water, in Bitcoin, as well as in the topography itself. Whether it's physical or virtual data, any variable that affects our design will be distributed by a system of interconnecting pipes to reach the final destination. We want to educate the children of the future in sustainability from a post-carbon world point of view, with attractive environments for their development, rest, and education, while being playful and changeable based on fluctuations in water, Bitcoin, and hybridization. The aim is to design domesticities in public areas that revolve around living spaces from a ludic point of view, as well as raising awareness of renewable energies to which we have access to. The 3 projects converge at a point that is not yet completely defined, but they will work together for a final purpose.